Little view this morning from the hotel room. I got a big ship coming up the Savannah River into Port Savannah, the MSC. This boat, or whatever you want to call this thing in front of us, is taller than the hotel we're in. We're at 7 stories, and you can see the bridge is probably at least 2 or 3 stories taller than where we're standing on the 6th floor. Anybody doesn't know, the Port of Savannah is actually a massive port. It's one of the largest in the southeast that cars are imported into from all over the country. And you can see behind him he has his pilot guiding him in. Everything we buy is in those containers. And he's going to go underneath the bridge there, and you can see the port there in the background. And they'll start offloading these containers. I can't even imagine how much weight that thing is carrying and how many thousands of containers that thing's holding. And here comes his pilot ship right behind him. It's out of Hamburg. I believe that's Germany. So he's getting ready to go under the bridge into the port. And it's not as close as that looks. He's got quite a few number of feet as a cushion to make it under there, but he has slowed down to a crawl to go underneath this bridge. I would venture to guess that depending on how much weight they're carrying also would dictate how much water they're drawing, which would dictate their height also. So yeah, but as you see, as he approaches the bridge now, you can start seeing the distance between the top and the bridge. So he actually has plenty of room to get through there, but it looks close. But yeah, you guys out there, read up on Savannah and the port, because people don't realize this is one of the biggest ports on the eastern seaboard. It's actually huge, and something crazy like 63% or something like that of all of our products that come into the U.S. come in through the Savannah port. It's a crazy amount of stuff, including vehicles. Crazy amount. Anyways, good morning, Savannah.